Okay, let's go.
Market volatility frequently breaks even the most disciplined traders. You have likely tried meditating before the opening bell, journaling your setups, and forcing discipline. Yet the moment the price moves aggressively against you, you still slide your stop loss. This behavior is the result of a biological hijack. Over the next 6 minutes, we will calculate your override threshold, a strict risk limit designed to bypass your biological panic response entirely. Prepare for this calculation by opening your brokerage account and pulling up the trading history of your last 10 worst mistakes. Consistent trading execution depends on managing your brain chemistry. Emotional trading stems from a conflict between your brain's logic center, the prefrontal cortex, and its survival center, the amygdala. As financial risk increases, your brain physically diverts power away from your logic center to feed energy directly into your survival center. Your nervous system treats a rapidly shrinking account balance with the same urgency as a physical predator in the wild. In day trading, triggering this innate fight or flight response makes following a complex strategy impossible. Once risk levels trigger the amygdala, logic is no longer the primary driver of your actions. Review your trading history and locate your 10 most severe emotional trading errors. Identify the specific dollar amount of loss where your heart rate spiked and you began breaking your rules. This dollar amount is your panic metric, where stress overwhelms execution. Stress signals are lagging indicators. Your logic center is already losing power. To stay in the logic zone, divide your panic metric by 50%. This safety buffer keeps your logic fully online. Record this final calculated number on your notepad. This number is your non-negotiable ceiling. Crossing it ensures you surrender control of your trade to your survival instincts. Because emotional mistakes can still occur, you must have a pre-planned execution rule ready for immediate deployment. This is the core 3-trade reset protocol. After any emotional rule break, you must manually reduce your position size to 1/4 of your normal volume for your next 3 trades. Trading at a quarter size often feels like a waste of time because it lacks the leverage to quickly recoup losses. This fractional sizing provides the mandatory biological cooldown period required to reboot your prefrontal cortex. Use the boredom metric to test your recovery. A racing heart signals gambling. Professional execution feels boring. Success requires the systemic suppression of adrenaline through deliberate environment design. You now possess a mathematically derived override threshold and a 3-trade reset rule for your platform. The world's best traders do not rely on willpower. They engineer their risk and environment so that the need for willpower is eliminated entirely. Comment logic below to publicly commit to trading under your new threshold this week. Long-term trading success is a biological equation. Let the math protect your strategy.